If you want to create a vitamin and supplements quiz for your supplement store on Shopify, but don't know where to start, this is the video for you. Let's say this is your vitamin and supplement store. You have your products laid out beautifully, but your customers get confused and they don't know where to start or where to end. That's where the quiz could come in to help. So let's take the quiz and see what it looks like. As you can see, the quiz is visually engaging with different types of questions that are supposed to collect information about your customers. And then you can see the personalization right here, where it's asking for our name, for our phone number, and the email. And as we click submit, we see a personalized recommendation that is meant to match just our needs and our preferences. So let me show you how you can get this exact quiz for your own store. First and foremost, to create that quiz, you need the correct app. So go to Shopify App Store and search for Recomma. We'll find it right here, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to click install. But since I already do have it installed, I'm going to click open. Once you click open, this is where it's going to take you, and this is where all of your quizzes will be. You're going to click add new quiz in order to create one, but I already made it, so let's just see what's in the quiz. As you can see, the first thing that we notice is the quiz dashboard, and here is the welcome page. This is where you write your heading and then your subheading. You can also add images, change the layout, etc. You can click add question in order to add a question from here. There are different types of questions like single choice, multiple, picture. You can explore this yourself. There are a few question types that I would like to direct your attention to, and those are the email address question and the phone one. You can group them together like we did in there, or you can add them separately. All you have to do is click add question to the group if you want a group, and click phone. And this is how you generally change anything for any question, not just this one. Here, as you can see in the settings over here, you can also make the questions required if needed, and that is available for any question, not just these types of questions. Now let's go to the products tab, which is perhaps the most important if we want to know how we can match the correct vitamin to the correct customer. There are two ways you can link your products. Let's first go over the product tab, which is why we're here. Once you create your questions, all you have to do is select a product that matches your answer choice for every single question. It works with the upvote method, as you can see here, and each product gets a point if selected and a negative one or negative point if excluded. It's a very meticulous and manual job, but it really does ensure that every single customer gets the correct product for them. There's also a different way to do this, and for that, we would have to go to Quiz Setup and go to our result page right here. And as you can see, there are some settings that I would like to show you. This is the heading, this is the description. But for the product one, you can just simply select a product that matches your result page. What you do is you click select products, you select your products, and you can also recommend collections together if you want that. So you're going to select collections, and let's say, for example, this, vitamins and supplements, and then you're going to click select. Now let's go to styles and settings. Here is where you can configure the settings, the general settings of your quiz, and where you can take care of style and make sure it matches your brand and your creativity and your taste. There are multiple ways you can customize it to your own, so feel free to explore. Now let's go to the integrations tab, which is just as important and just as interesting. Integrations allow you to connect with third-party tools like Klaviyo. As you can see here, we're already connected, MailChimp and Zapier and more, in order to collect first-party data and perhaps use it for email marketing reasons. To understand and to get to know your audience better, you can redirect your marketing by integrations, and Recomma allows you to do it. Now let's go to publish. But before we publish anything, it's important to save it so that all of our work does not get wasted. And once we did it, we can choose the types of ways we can publish it. There are pop-up, external link, button link. You can also publish it as a standalone page. For that, you would only have to generate a standalone page. But we're going to stick with the button link this time. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to copy this. And then you're going to go ahead and click Online Store. And then you're going to click Edit Theme. Find the page you want to include that in. And once you are on that page that you want your quiz to be in, you're going to click on the button. And after that, you're going to see this button link field that you're going to paste the link that you already copied before. It's important to also make sure that in your up embeds you have link quiz turned on to make sure that it works properly. And once you did all of that, you're going to click Save button right here. I already have everything set up. That's why I'm not clicking anything. And that's how you create your vitamin quiz and match the products to the customers. To create a successful product recommendation quiz, you need the right tool to do it, and Recomma is here to help you. Make sure to check out the link in the description, and if you still have questions, don't be shy, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you next time.